What is good, people? It's your boy JC, the workhorse, back with another video again. And today I'm in Canary Wharf. I did a massive workout yesterday, calisthenics. I'm going to be posting some of that footage later on today. Now, guys, today's going to be my cheat meal today, because I'm not even going to lie to you, like, I've been eating clean, yeah? So all I'm going to say to you guys is that if it's your first time watching this video, I have a link in my bio, and if you need help with fitness, motivation, discipline, all you need to do is just click the link, jump on a free call with me, and I will help you with your goals. I will help you with your goals, but I only want serious people, yeah? So anyway, we're going to head over to get something to eat. I don't even know what I'm going to get to eat. I could go there. I could even go over there. What's over here? I don't even know what's over there. I could even go over there. I could even go over there. Who knows? But I'm out here, yeah? So, just, like I said to you guys, just click the website in the video. I have two links, yeah? So I have a general website link, and I have a link strictly for women that want weight loss, yeah? So you click that link, jump on a call with me, and I can be your mentor, yeah? I does this, man, trust me. Alright. So yeah, like I said, I've been going hard, pull-ups, burpees, lunges, squats, press-ups, every day, discipline, real discipline. So yeah, shout out to all the Cali guys out there putting in the work, because that ain't easy. But what can I say, man? I love training. I just love training, man. I just love to train. I love the pump. You know what I mean? So I really want to help you guys, man. So like I said to you, if you're out there and you want to get into shape and you need direction, just click the link, book a call, jump on the call, and I'm telling you, yeah, if you are serious, you will get the results. But anyway, look at the view, man. Look, can you see Big Easy over there? It's not that far. So it might be a big Easy. If it's not a Big Easy, I'm gonna find something else. Yeah. So I don't know. What do you think? Is they looking like they? You got any objections? Where should we eat? Where are we gonna eat? They don't know what we're gonna eat, but we're gonna eat something. But they were like looking to say like they know where I should eat. Anyway, that's where we're looking like we're gonna eat today. But just look at the view, man. Look at the view. Beautiful place. And if you haven't been Canary Wharf, I'm talking about, if you watch this video and you're not from the UK, and you're out of the UK and you come to the UK, come to Canary Wharf. I'm telling you, it's underrated, but they got some spots around here, man. There's a spot over there as well that I went to last time where it's like they got different various street foods. So yeah, if you come to London, come to Canary Wharf. It's in East London. I believe it's like E16 or E14. I could be wrong. Anyway, let's go.
I never been on the white.
But today has been such a beautiful day today as well. It was a sunny day today. And the thing is with London, if you are from London, we get these days here where you'll get one banging day and then it will just be raining for like the rest of the day. Not even the rest of the day, like just say like today is a sunny day, tomorrow it'll be raining, and then we might not get no sun again. So when we do get the sunny days, we gotta learn to embrace those days, man. You know what I mean? Feel me? It's definitely a beautiful day today. Co?
Ale zobacz, że ta...
We're gonna go past the place that I went to last time, which is the, I believe it's like a different street foods, like I said before, but we're gonna pass it now, so we're gonna have a little peek through. Come, let's go. And if you see up there as well, they're building flats everywhere, everywhere. Couple places in there. You know what I mean? Pick up the security guard. I'm telling you, man, Canary Wharf is underrated. Like, no one really comes down. The reason why I come down here is because no one comes down here. I don't want to see no stupid faces.
Yeah, true. Jack can stand up. He still pop out.
Yeah, man, it's time to tuck into some food, man. I'm starving. I don't know what you lot are doing right now, but I'm tucking into some food. Yesterday was a heavy session. Did like 100 pull-ups, 100 squats, 100 dips, 100 press-ups. You know what I mean? Did an endurance. It was like an endurance workout, so it's like 10 pull-ups, 1 minute rest. 10 pull-ups, 1 minute rest. You feel me? So yeah, tough session yesterday, and I've done that all fasting as well, man. So I'm trying to just get as lean as possible. Abs are starting to come out now. So yeah, man, I'm feeling good, feeling great, feeling lean, strong. You feel me? I don't know what I was good at teams. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, we're just out here. Quite a lot of these, man. This is my first time doing a vlog. Feel me? Yeah, man. I reckon I haven't been here at night time. I have not been here at night time, but I could just tell. Gets busy at night time, you know what I mean? Like people are coming out, drinks, because there's a lot of bars around here as well. For me, I'm not really a drinker. I don't really smoke. You know what I mean? I'm just about training and getting my mind right. So cut me off with all that other bullshit. You get me? All right. We're gonna go inside. This is the place. So you can show them. So this is the place, Market Hall. So like I said to you, if you come to Canary Wharf, I believe if you get off the train, yeah, because parking down here is a myth. So if you catch the train down here, you want to get off the Canary Wharf, Elizabeth line, yeah. Well, we're gonna go in there quickly. This is the food. This is where it is, man. This is where it is. Like I said, if you ever come to Canary Wharf, you wanna, and you can see like these are what they got. Come up in a minute. And I came here. I believe I came here like a month ago when it was Ramadan. Yeah, I broke my fast here when it was Ramadan. And so yeah, just show them. That's the types of food that they got here. But I'm not going to be eating in there today. But anyway, let's come out and yeah. Nice place, nice food. This is what we got. Some fries, Coke, Oreo, yeah, Cajun fries. Guys, I'm about to get my food right now. I'm gonna show you lot the verdict. So guys, basically I went for a Thai. We got a bit of cucumber, lettuce, tomato. They put an egg on top. They asked me if I wanted egg. I was like, I thought like, because obviously it's egg fried rice. I didn't know they're gonna put a fucking egg on top of it. I might as well have got fucking eggs on toast, innit? Anyway, I'm gonna let you lot know the verdict, but it looks good. I'm not gonna lie, it looks good. It looks good.